Okay, Antoine. So this is my friend Antoine I've known since kindergarten. He's French. And behind him over there is the Pantheon. So who's buried there?
Well, the Pantheon is a mausoleum, and which hosts a lot of historical French figures. Most recently, Josephine Baker was inhumated here only a few days ago. She was an Afro-American jazz singer who contributed to the French Resistance only a few days ago. Other figures are Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Victor Hugo, and Napoleon, I believe, although I'm not completely sure on that.
That's beautiful.
But this can be visited, and the rotonde up there offers a really nice viewpoint on Paris, because we're here in the 5th on a colline.
Okay. All right, and this is your hood, yeah?
This is where my family is from, yes.
Man, look at that fucking sunset. I mean, you can't really see it on the fucking GoPro, but it's a gorgeous Parisian sunset. You can't even see the Eiffel Tower, but I can see it with my eye. This is really stunning. I think we're capturing the last remnants of summer before we enter into the dreaded autumn.
We get slapped in the face with a wet hand.
Yes, okay, I'm cutting now.